Hello everybody. In this short video, I'll explain you why you shouldn't use Google Recaptcha. This is a website of my client. I have used Google Recaptcha version 3. If we go to contact form 7, that's what I use. These are my code. But I'm going to test the website speed now in both in GT Matrix as well as Pingdom to see the result with the Google Recaptcha. And then I'll remove the Google Recaptcha and I will tell you what to use instead to get really fast website without any effect of this Google Recaptcha. As you can see, there's our ad explorer headers is in D, as well as our rating is like 90, still it's a B. I mean, I have really compressed this website to the maximum level, but still it's not A, still it's 90. All because of the Google Recaptcha. And if we come to GT Matrix, you see here, the first one, it says defer parsing. This one, no matter what you try you do to fix it, you cannot fix it, because this is something Google need to fix it. You see there's two error. One is within their code, or within their picture, they need to fix that. Another one is within their code, which they never fix it. It's been over a year. I personally use Google Recaptcha, but it's always been the same. Now, that's not only the case. You see our request 30, and in this one, our request are 33. The higher it is, the slower your website is. Now, this is not how much exactly it is in our website, the HTTP request. It's a lot lower, but it's because of the Google Recaptcha. They increase this by a lot. Now let's remove this. It's here. Of course, once we remove it, then we will receive a junk mails, especially those robots which send the email, all those advertisements, but we don't want to receive those, so we can fix it. How to fix it? We go to our contact forms. And here we click edit. So here's the question some people ask: why you use Google Recaptcha? If you're using to not receive a junk mails, this is the best solution. But if you're using it for a security reason, if you're running some subscription system, etc., then Google Recaptcha is your only option, I guess, because that's really secure. This one is not very secure, but it will stop all those junk mails. And this is within the contact form 7, so you do not need another plugin or anything else. It's just within this, and it's this one, which is quiz. Before the submit, we just enter here, we put the quiz, and in here we have to put some question which anyone who fill up your form have to answer this. The robot cannot answer it, only human can. So this way you will not receive junk mails. Any email you receive, it's definitely been filled up by human, not by a robot. So now how to do it? They have give us example here. For example, we can kind of copy it and fix it. If you want more than one question, you can enter and do another question. But I just want to keep it simple, just one question, and I would like to change this question to maths question. So in here I'm gonna clear this, and I will say, for example, it depends what you ask. I'll say 15 plus 14 equal. Now there it is. So that's our question. Now you have to put the answer after this thing in here, and the answer is, so this will basically separate the question from the answer. That's why you need this. Now our answer is 29. So anyone put 29 will pass through this, otherwise it will be failed. Like there, it's done. Now let's save this. It's saved, And before we do anything, I'm going to clear the cache on this website. There it is. So the cache has been cleared. There's one more cache. I use two plugins for cache because they're so good, both of them. Anyways, it's been cleared. Now let's run them again. In this one, as you can see, 95, 87, and look at all this error, etc. So to retest it, we just hit the retest as well as this one. Just select London and test again. Let's see what we will get this time. And I'll also at the same time show you the website, how it looks, the website. If we go to the website here and go to contact, and here it is, just the question, and you have to answer it here to get through. If you do not answer that, it will not work. For example, we just do some name, number, etc. And now I'm not going to fill that. You see, you hit submit, it says you have to do that. Let's give some wrong answer and submit. Still it's not going. You have to, it only works if you do the right answer. Now the right answer is 29. Submit, and then the message is gone. So it's really good one. And now look at our rating, 100, and this is 92. All of them green. There is no more. This is GT metrics, and this one was 90, is gone to 93, and it's gone to A. And look at, there is no ad explorer headers again in D, it's going to B. So some websites really it improves a lot. So in my opinion, Google needs to fix this issue, and you really do not need Google Recaptcha because it slows down your website in every way. So if you want to just not receive a junk mails, this is the best option for you. Thanks for watching.